In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Gmail account recovery, same email OTP problem. This issue usually happens when you're trying to recover your Gmail account, and Google keeps sending the one-time passcode, or OTP, to the very same email address you're locked out of. That can feel like a loop you can't escape, but there are a few key things you can do to get around it. First, start by going to the official Google account recovery page in your browser. Make sure you're not just typing anything into the search bar and clicking random links. Instead, manually go to the Google sign-in page. Click on Forgot Email or Forgot Password, and let Google guide you into the recovery flow. This ensures you're using the real Google page and not a fake one, which is very important for your security. When you're asked to enter the email you're trying to recover, carefully type it in and continue. At this stage, Google will usually try the most common recovery method first. Often, that means sending an OTP to your Gmail address. If that's the same account you cannot open, don't panic. Look for a small link that says something like, "Try another way." It might be near the bottom of the box, or in smaller text. So read the screen carefully. Clicking Try Another Way is the key step. Google may then offer other options, like sending a code to a recovery phone number, using a recovery email that you set up earlier, or answering some security questions. Always pick the option you still have access to. If you see a recovery email address with some characters hidden, double-check that you recognize it before you continue. If you're using a device where you've signed into this account before, stay on that device. Google trusts familiar devices more, and that can increase your chances of successful recovery. Also, stay on a stable internet connection and avoid switching networks halfway through the process. As you go through each screen, take your time. If Google asks when you created the account, give your best honest estimate. If it asks for previous passwords, enter any old password you remember using, even if you're not completely sure. Finally, if none of the alternative options appear, it may mean you never added a recovery phone or email. In that case, try again later from a device and location you've used regularly with that account. Once you regain access, immediately add a recovery phone number and a backup email so you don't get stuck in this same email OTP problem again.